upbeat background music starts playing. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're diving into the battle of the mops. On my left, we have the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop, and on my right, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. It's a showdown of steam versus spin, and trust me, you want to miss it. So grab your popcorn, sit tight, and let's mop it up. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Power Fresh has a flip-down scrubber that tackles those tough, sticky messes. Reviewers have noted that it effectively cleans textured ceramic tile floors without the need for scrubbing, making it efficient and user-friendly. However, some users have pointed out that it may not completely remove years of grime buildup. On the other hand, the SpinWave is all about the spinning mop pads that do the work for you. Reviewers love its ability to clean grout lines and laminate wood floors efficiently, especially for those with physical limitations. It's like a dance party for your floors, but the cleaning effectiveness is where the Power Fresh takes a slight lead. Next up, convenience. The Power Fresh features a 23-foot power cord, which means you can clean your whole house without needing a cardio session to find an outlet. Reviewers appreciate that it heats up in just 30 seconds, making it incredibly convenient for quick cleanups. Meanwhile, the SpinWave is cordless, powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 20 minutes of freedom. However, some users express disappointment with its shorter battery life, as it runs out of power quickly and takes a long time to recharge. Still, many find it easy to handle and perfect for everyday messes, especially with pets or kids. Now, let's talk about the M word, money. The Power Fresh comes in at a budget-friendly price of $92. Many reviewers consider this a steal for a mop that fights germs effectively. Meanwhile, the SpinWave is at $154. While it's pricier, users appreciate the quality and effectiveness, especially for pet owners. Some even liken it to adopting a puppy every time they clean their floors, as every purchase helps save pets. So while the SpinWave may hit your wallet harder, it also supports a great cause. In summary, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is praised for its effectiveness in cleaning and sanitizing, making it a favorite for those who want a deep clean. However, some users wish it could tackle more stubborn grime with ease. The SpinWave, while a bit pricier, is loved for its cordless convenience and effectiveness on various floor types, making it a great choice for pet owners, despite some battery life concerns. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs. So what's the verdict, smart buyers? If you want a mop that steam cleans like a pro and doesn't mind being tethered to an outlet, the Power Fresh is your go-to. But if you prefer the freedom of cordless cleaning and want to support a great cause, the SpinWave might just spin its way into your heart. Whichever mop you choose, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor, and a happy floor means fewer chances of stepping in something, well, gross. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye!